This is Sanjay Sharma from salespathshala.com with post number 44. Today we shall be discussing about how you can improve your sales productivity by offering customized value-added solutions to your customers. Before we go into details of discussion, let's understand the meaning of these two terms. What we mean by customization and also what is the meaning of value addition. So we start with customization. Let's understand what do we mean by customization. When we are talking about customization, we are talking about you finding out as much details about the customer requirement as you can and then choose the best product or services that you have. Let's understand this with the help of an example. When you go to a tailor, then the tailor takes dimensions of the kind of stitching that you want to do. He shows you a lot of designs, and from those designs, whatever you choose, then the tailor actually stitches the clothes according to your taste. So that is what we mean by customizing. Customization would mean that you have gone to the depth to understand what the customer requires, and then you match the features and benefits of your services or products to suit the customer's requirement at its best, and that is what we mean customization. So that is an example of offering customized solutions. Now people might be wondering that I am selling automobiles or I am selling insurance and I am selling some other product like fitness equipments or in real estate. How do I customize? I have that similar fixed option of a flat that I'm going to offer. Understand, customization would mean each industry matching the budget of the customer, how the customer can afford, what the customer is looking at, what are the advantages that the product brings, and whether the customer really needs those benefits. Anytime you're selling a product or service in the market, so it is very well known that any salesperson is providing solution to the problem that the customer has. So solution is anyway the basic thing today which is there, without which you cannot share. Once we have understood what it means to customize your solution, let's look at what it means to add value. When we are talking about adding value to what we are offering to the customer, it means that whatever product or service we are offering to the customer, we are looking at offering something more than what the customer is expecting. Take the example of a milk seller. Now, the milk sellers normally what they do, they buy milk from the suppliers and they retail that milk. The customers come to the shop and purchase milk. Now there is a risk that the shopkeeper runs when he's selling milk like this. Sometimes he is having more milk than is sold in the market. So what happens? There is a risk of wastage where the milk goes bad and the milk is wasted. Other situation is where the customers are more and they're demanding more milk and he has less milk. So on both sides there is a loss. Either there is a risk of losing money because of not selling the adequate quantity of milk, or there is a risk of losing customers. Considering this example, there may be smart retailers who can come up with a solution of value addition where they are offering value in terms of home delivery of milk. Now what they are doing is, when they are providing home delivery of milk, they are addressing three issues. First one is they know the exact number of customers and the exact quantity of milk that they have to provide on a daily basis. So there is no risk of either losing customers or of wasting milk. Second advantage is that when the customers get such a benefit, then they are more loyal customers. You are actually providing an extra service that is value addition. The other opportunity you have is you can sell more products to the same set of customers, so you increase your business volume with them. And last but not the least, you also get the advantage of eliminating competition, because then reaching the customer in his house, then there is no risk of competition coming over and taking away your customers. So you are securing your business and you can grow your business. There is only one example. If you apply the same concept to insurance or retail of any other product or real estate or automobiles or any other industry, you will find that it has enormous advantages. When we talk about value addition, what we are saying is that whatever we are offering to the customer, the customer has an expectation of what kind of solution he can expect, because he is talking to 10 more people when he's buying a product from you and he has called you. Please don't think that you are the only person with whom the customer is talking. The customer is talking to 10 more people in the market. Now, that is where he is doing a comparative study with other competitors in the market and other people selling the same product or a substitute product, that what you are offering. Now that is where you have scope for value addition. If you have value addition to the customer, then the customer is going to definitely consider you and give you preference and will be buying from you. So what we have seen today is that if we have to improve our sales productivity, we need to offer customized value added solutions to our customers. We have understood the meaning of what it means when we talk about customization, value addition and solution. When we put these three things together, we create a very potent dynamic equation which is going to attract and retain our customers. And the benefits that it has is we have loyalty of the customers, because we are offering the customer which nobody else is offering in the market. Second advantage is that when the customers are getting value addition, we are also carving out a niche for ourselves in the market, which is going to help us in deeper penetration of the market. Third advantage is that when we talk about customized value added solutions, we are eliminating competition from there. So it has all the pluses and there is nothing negative in the whole deal. Therefore, we must always focus on providing customized value added solutions to our customers, because it's a win-win for everybody. So what we have learned today is when we add customization and value addition to the solutions that we are offering to our customer, we are more likely to retain the customers for a long time. We get loyal customers, we exceed their expectations, so we satisfy them, we create customer delight, and also we are able to eliminate competition. So what that means, we are going to progress and make ourselves effective and be more profitable in the long run. So we understand what are the advantages of offering customized value added solutions to our customers. Let's go out, practice it and create a great success story. Good luck.